Hi all, we're gonna continue solving two-step inequalities, but before that, I want you to look at this last question and change the number. That is not number 1, that's number 3. Alright, now that you did that, let's go back to question 1. So we have negative 6 minus 2 is less than negative 14. What's our first inverse operation? It is adding 2, so plus 2 plus 2. Keep this sign for now. A little foreshadowing. So negative 14 plus 2 is negative 12. And then these cancel, so we have negative 6. Negative 6x is less than negative 12. Okay, and then what's our next inverse operation? Divide by negative 6. Divide by negative 6. So negative 12 divided by negative 6, we have two negatives, makes a positive, so we have 2. Negative 6x divided by negative 6 is x, and I divided by a negative, so change sign. Right? This flips, so we'll do that, becomes that. So we have x greater than 2. I circle 2. Don't fill it in, right? This is not greater than or equal to. X has to be more than 2, so we can't include 2, cannot, and then I shade numbers bigger than 2. So let's draw the arrow, and that's it. Okay, what's a number in the solution set? Well, what's a number bigger than 2? 1,000,000, 1,000? But let's do something that is here. So let's say 4. You can do any number bigger than 2. You literally have an unlimited number of choices. Okay, now I have 5x plus 3 is less than 8. So plus 3, our inverse is minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5x plus 3 minus 3 is 5x. So I have 5x less than 5. Okay, what's our next inverse operation? We always end up dividing by this coefficient, right? So divide by 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 5x divided by 5 is x. Did we divide by a negative? Nope, this is a positive, so the sign stays the same. X is less than 1. I circle 1. I don't fill it in because it's strictly less than, right? X can't be 1. And then what are the numbers less than 1? They're over here. They're all the way over here. Okay. And what are the numbers in the solution set? What's a number less than 1? Negative 1.5, negative 2.8372, negative 10. But let's do a number that's here. Let's do 0. I always like 0. Okay, last one. Remember, last one is number 3, not number 1 again. So negative 3x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 9. First inverse operation is plus 3, plus 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. Let me draw that line. Sometimes I get a little excited. So negative 3x. Negative 3x is greater than or equal to 12, right? I added, so I don't even have to think about whether the sign changes. Last step, we're going to divide by negative 3. Divide by negative 3. 12 divided by negative 3 is negative 4. We have x. Okay. Divided by negative. So change sign. are greater than or equal to becomes less than or equal to. Okay, less than or equal to. X is less than or equal to negative 4. Where's negative 4? It's right here. Okay, this one we are going to fill in because x could be negative 4. So I shade that in. And numbers less than negative 4. We can go that direction. Alright, just a small part of the number line we have here, but it actually goes on forever and ever. What's a number in the solution set? When we think of the biggest number in the solution set, the biggest number in the solution set is negative 4. Right? X is less than or equal to negative 4, so we can't go any bigger. Alright, hope you had tons of fun, and thank you.